Hey Jammers, it's me, Akag, and welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I will be doing a mailbox, mail time, whatever you want to call it video. So I've got a few gifts, and I thought I haven't done one in a while, so I might as well. Let's go right into it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Lucky Birdhouse. Thank you so much. Shout out to this person, Skylana, I think his or her name is. Pretty cool, thanks so much. Okay, this is my black one. Okay, that's funny. I like this sense of humour, so I'll give them a shout out. Shout out to this person down below, ArtieGirl886. I love that, that's so cool. You like legit trolled me, I love that. Thank you so much. Hi, hope you like my gift. Have a smashing good time. Okie dokie, what do we have here? New Year's Rare Party Hat. That was Rare New Year's Party Hat. It's so cool. You're definitely going to get a shout out. I love things that have things moving around. I'm going to try it on. Okay, I can actually find it. I think I might have accidentally pressed a start or I didn't press keep. It's not there. Anyway, let's get back into the video. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, I'm going to press keep this time. Now, let's see what it looks like. Looks really cool, it matches my outfit. We're all about the bread. I think I'm going to wear it for the rest of the video. Okay, time for their shout out. Shout out to this person down below. I love that party hat, thank you so much. Okay, I actually don't think I got this from the mail time video. I gifted someone something. I said, oh, I love your style because they had a really cool look. I think I just gifted them a necklace or something, but anyway, I think they've gifted me something back, so I won't give them a shout out because I don't know if they want one or not, so I won't. Let's see what I've got. Clover beanbag. So cool, thanks so much. Okay, what do we have here? We have a little smiley face, how cute. What do we have? A Lynx plushie that's so cute. Thank you so much. I'm not sure if this person wanted a shout out or not, I can't remember. If you did, I'm so sorry, but I'm not going to give you one because I don't want to give away your username or anything like that if you didn't want one. So sorry about that if you did, but thanks for the gift anyway. Okay, next person. Hi viewers, I'm feeling this person obviously did want one. Does want one. Soft as a seal. So cute. A necklace. Thanks for the necklace. Although it's just a necklace, you can get them anywhere. Thank you for gifting me, and hello, back to you. Hello, Marta77. Okay, I've got another gift. To be or not to be a ghost turtle. That's funny. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Some people say it's a beta, and some people say it's not. So cool. I had it once, I loved it, and I traded it away. So cool, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to give you a shout. Shout out to Fantails, thank you so much. So cool, I love it. Okay, got another gift. A rare old top hat, thank you so much. I'll give you a shout out. Thanks so much. Shout out to this person here. Thank you. Thank you. That's all I have time for today. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe.